All right, folks, so we're on to the last trial of the experiment. This is going to be trial 4 of the cleaning products. We're going to be dealing with dish soap. So here, I've got some dish soap in here. Clean up my well here first real quick. Okay, so let's add some of that dish soap to my well. All right, should be plenty right there. Let's take the blue litmus paper. Oops. Dip one of those in there. Okay. Then we'll take the red litmus paper. Dip that in there. And then we'll take the pH paper. Okay, and then we should see once we dip the pH paper in there, we should see that it's at about an 8, roughly. And it's sort of like a olive green type color, like a medium dark green. All right, so go ahead and record that down on your lab sheet. This is the last trial, so now you can start answering the conclusion questions. We'll go over those as a class on Monday.